Hi, here we have another question from Iranian Mathematical Olympiad round number 1, year 1997. The question says, we have a sequence an is equal to square root of 123 plus n2, and we have bn is equal to n plus 3. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. We define R as the minimum n such that AR is less than BR, and S as the maximum n such that AS is larger than BS plus 1. The question is, what is the value of R plus S? First round of Iranian Mathematical Olympiad is usually consists of multiple choice questions. You get 30 questions for 3 hours. So you have on average 6 minutes per question. This was among the most easiest question in that exam. Basically, every student should have been able to solve this exercise. You only need to pay attention, not making mistakes, basically. The options are R plus S can be equal to 30, 31, 32, 33, or 38. Spend 5 to 10 minutes, try to solve the exercise, and then come back and see the solution. All right, let's look at the solution. Of course, R is the minimum n such that AR is less than BR. So basically, we just form the inequality. AR is the square root of 123 plus R2. BR is R plus 3. So we are going to square both sides. In that case, we have 123 plus R2 should be less than R2 plus 2 times first one times the second one, 6R plus the second one power 2, 9. R2 with R2 disappear, 9 goes the other side. This one with 123 disappears. And then we can get that R should be larger than 19. That means R is equal to 20. Okay, so we calculated R. Same way, we are going to calculate S. So we say BS plus 1 should be less than AS. We have to find the maximum value of N for this inequality. Again, S plus 3 plus 1 should be less than the square root of 123 plus S2. We square both sides. So this will be S2 plus 8S plus 16. This is 123 plus S2. S2 with S2 disappears. We simplify. We get to this equation, and from here we can get that S is less than 13.35, means that S is equal to 13. That means R plus S should be equal to 33. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. All right, this was very simple. As you can see, you just needed to do some calculation and simplification. So the technique that we have learned, sometimes the questions are easy because they want all sort of students be able to solve at least a few questions. They don't want to make everything too difficult. So be able to simplify an inequality by powering both sides to a suitable power. Pay attention in simplification of basic equations and do not make a mistake in simplification or calculation that you do. All right, so that's the end of the video. I hope you learned something new. See you next time. Bye.